Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate my fingering for movement 5 of the Carmen Suite by Bizet. So in this movement, I'm looking at the octave passage. It's several measures in after the repeat, maybe 10 to 15 measures after letter A, it looks like. So we've got this figure here. Yep. Alright. And then we've got, we're in the key of A major or A major or C sharp minor. Probably A major, but we have G sharps. Alright. So we got G sharps, A sharp, B, going up chromatically, get to D, and then we cadence there. So what I'm doing is octaves on the bass are easiest done with 4 on the higher string and 1 on 2 strings lower than that. So in the case of playing a G sharp octave, I have 4 on the G sharp on the D string and 1 on the G sharp on the E string. Alright, so it's kind of like you have your fingers spaced a whole step, but just so your first finger is over 2 strings. So that's the most effective way to play octaves on the bass. Sometimes it's useful to use the open string, like when I play my A, I'm going to choose to use the open string so I can take that time to shift. I place my second finger over the A in half position on the G string, which allows me to just go ahead and put my 4th finger on A sharp because that's the next note. Then I'm ready to play 4 and 1 with A sharps right here. And I can do my 4 and 1 pattern. So I'm going to demonstrate that again a little bit now that I've explained that. So starting on the octave measure. Alright, so that's what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward once you get used to that. Just keeping track of the higher note in the octave is with 4th finger, the low note is with 1st finger. In this case, the exception being that A string to allow us to shift. If I do it once again.